Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I received some happy mail. Yay! Happy mail from Divian Sanchez. Hi Divian, thank you so much for being so super sweet. She had actually entered my challenge and had sent me a really cute Easter bag. You may recall it was a bag that looked like this and it said Happy Easter Erica on it, and she personalized it, and she told me that she had found these at Dollar Tree, and I told her that, you know, I was gonna, hopefully I could find some because I hadn't seen them. So I went to 3 Dollar Trees, never could find any, and so she was so sweet enough to mail me some. I guess she bought extras, and so I'm so grateful. So thank you so much. I'm gonna open her card really quickly. And it says, "Hi friend." Oh, that's really pretty. And it just says, "Dear Erica, here are a few samples of heart transfer vinyl, just a little bit to get you started. Any questions, feel free to contact me." Oh my goodness, happy crafting, your friend Divian. She just gave me some information on the vinyl transfer paper. I've never played with it before, and she told me she was gonna send me a few sheets so that I could try it. That's how she personalized these Easter bags, which I am going to try. So thank you so much for sending me some samples. So this is what the little fabric treat sack looks like. How adorable. Oh my gosh, and there's 4 in there. Oh my gosh, so she sent me, oh my goodness. So she sent me 3 packs of these bags. So I'm set on these super cute bags. Thank you so much. And if you have a Dollar Tree and you can find them, I would definitely scoop them up because they're extra cute. So thank you so much for those. And then here is some of that vinyl that she said that she was going to share with me. She cut me off some samples, and she has all these pretty colors. So thank you so much for sharing. I have never tried this before, so I'm looking forward to playing with it and giving it a try. And I'll definitely be in touch with you to let you know how it goes. And of course, I'll be happy to share with all of you a finished project if I can figure it out. I'm gonna try to play with my brother's Scan and Cut, and I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. Oh my gosh, so thank you so much. I truly appreciate, sweetheart. I'm gonna try to get your package out today because I was able to find her some goodies that she was looking for. So yay, yay for Happy Mail. And she sent me some Dove dark chocolate right here. I forgot to show you guys that, but yum, that will get eaten. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.